welcome to our room. This is our spot at the Hard Rock, Los Cabos. Here's our bathroom. It's got dual sinks, shower, separate toilet. Check out that water feature at the top. Rain shower head. And this is our room. We've got a king size bed and music playing when we came in. And we've got our mini fridge. They are stocking up for us right now. So since it's COVID, that's empty. So we just have to call down. They're going to replenish it for us. Got this desk we can get work done on. Our living room area over here. And my favorite part, check it out, is the outside space. So we have our own private jacuzzi tub that's covered right now, but we'll uncover it and show you later. We've got a view of Hard Rock and all of the amenities and an oceanside view as well. It's paradise. We just opened up the wall of windows. You can walk right out onto our porch deck. There you go, the jacuzzi tub. Oh yeah. And the band is getting ready to play. The sun is setting. It's a beautiful night in Cabo. And the Hard Rock Hotel.